Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today this video is about Microsoft's Windows 11 Insider Preview build 23511, which is released to the dev channel. Starting with this build, and talking about what's new in this build, firstly we have more improvements for Windows Spotlight. After trying out different treatments for how Windows Spotlight looks, Microsoft is now rolling out a single Windows Spotlight experience for Windows Insiders in the dev channel that includes previewing images at full screen, multiple opportunities to learn more about each image and a minimized experience. To open the Windows Spotlight experience, right-click on the Spotlight icon on the desktop. You can also double-click on the icon to directly launch a Bing landing page for more info on each image. So, this was the only new thing introduced in this build. Moving forward, and talking about the changes and improvements, in general, if a camera streaming issue is detected such as a camera failing to start or a closed camera shutter, a pop-up dialog will appear with a recommendation to launch the automated Get Help troubleshooter to resolve the issue. For Windows Copilot, Windows Insiders in the dev channel who log in and are managed by AAD, soon to be Microsoft Entra ID, will notice that the Windows Copilot preview is no longer available in this build. This is just a temporary issue. You may enable it temporarily via this policy located here in Group Policy Editor. For Start menu, for people logged into a Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise Edition with an AAD account, soon to be Microsoft Entra ID, Microsoft is providing a more decadent preview when hovering over files such as Word documents under Recommended on the Start menu. For this initial release, thumbnails will not be available for all files and a later update will enable the experience for more files and for MSI users. Additionally, when right-clicking on Cloud File Recommendations, there is now an option to share these files quickly. Also, under All Apps in the Start menu, Windows 11 System Components will now show a system label. This change is beginning to roll out and so not all insiders in the dev channel will see it right away. For Taskbar and System Tray, notifications will now show as a bell in the system tray, and when new notifications come through, the bell will colorize based on your system accent color. When there are no notifications and the clock is visible, the bell will be empty. Notification counts are no longer shown. For File Explorer, made some changes that should noticeably help improve the performance of the calculating phase when sending a large number of files at once in File Explorer to the recycle bin. For Snap Layouts, fix the bugs that were causing some crashes that resulted in turning off suggestions in Snap Layouts and are beginning to roll this out again to Windows Insiders in the dev channel. Suggestions in Snap Layout that help you instantly snap multiple app windows together. When hovering over the Minimize or Maximize button on an app, or Win+Z, to launch the layout box, you will see app icons displayed in various layout options to help recommend the best layout option that works best. This experience is beginning to roll out, again, so not all Windows Insiders in the dev channel will see it right away. For Settings, fixed the bug that could cause some instability which resulted in disabling the new settings homepage with build 23506 last week. Microsoft has begun rolling the new settings homepage out again to insiders in the dev channel. Also, beginning to roll out a new option under Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Phone Link to disable Phone Link altogether in Windows 11. This setting will prevent Phone Link from communicating with your mobile devices. So, these were some of the changes and improvements made in this build. Moving forward, and talking about the fixes. For File Explorer, fixed an issue where copying files out of large archives or using Extract All might have been slower than expected for solid.7z or .rar archives. Fixed an issue where when decompressing some of the newly supported archive format types, the folder names might become gibberish. Fixed an underlying issue where in some cases the context menu background in File Explorer was appearing transparent. For notifications, fixed an issue that was preventing apps from opening when you selected inside a notification pop-up for that app. Fixed an issue causing insiders to unexpectedly see a notification suggesting you turn off notifications for an app named Notifying and generated _. For Taskbar and System Tray, fixed multiple Explorer.exe crashes that were impacting Taskbar reliability. Fixed an issue that was causing quick settings not to open when selecting the network, volume, and battery icons in the system tray. For Task View and Desktops, adjusted the desktop switching animation to ease into the animation a little more. For Search on the Taskbar, fixed an issue where the search was not actually hiding when set to hide in Taskbar settings. For Windows Ink, fixed an issue where writing in the address box in Microsoft Edge might not work correctly. Make sure Microsoft Edge is up to date with the latest version. So that was all from Microsoft for this build. If you want to know more, follow the link to the official Microsoft blog from the description. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.